In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set form expiration date in Jotform. If you're running a limited time survey, an event RSVP, or an application window, setting an expiration date makes sure your form closes exactly when you want, without you having to shut it down manually. Start by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're in, open the form you want to manage in the form builder. If you're on the dashboard, choose your form and click Edit Form to land in the Builder workspace, where all your configuration options live. At the top, look for the orange navigation bar and click the Settings tab. This takes you from building questions to controlling how the form behaves. On the Settings page, locate the Form Status section. This is where you decide whether the form is accepting responses and under what conditions it should stop. From the options available, choose Disable on specific date. This is the key setting that lets you schedule the exact moment your form will stop accepting submissions. Right below it, you'll see fields to select a date and a time. Use the calendar picker to choose the closing day, then set the precise time using the time field. Keep in mind that the time uses your account's time zone, so make sure it lines up with your audience's expectations, especially if respondents are in different regions. If you have a strict deadline, consider giving yourself a small buffer to account for time zone differences or daylight saving time changes. After setting the date and time, click Save to apply your changes. You should see a confirmation that your settings have been updated. Once saved, Jotform will automatically disable the form at the scheduled time. There's nothing else you need to do on the day it closes. While you're here, you can also customize the message people see when the form is unavailable. By default, Jotform shows a simple notice that the form is not currently accepting submissions. You can edit this to match your tone, briefly explain why the form is closed, and if appropriate, include when it might reopen or where to find more information. A clear message helps avoid confusion and maintains a professional experience for your respondents. That's it. You've logged in, opened your form in the builder, gone to Settings, set the form status to disable on a specific date, picked your date and time, saved your changes, and customized the unavailable message. With these adjustments, your form will close exactly when you intend, keeping your deadlines consistent and your workflow effortless.